Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market but felt overwhelmed or scared? You're not alone. Many people feel the same way when they first consider diving into the world of investments. The fear of losing money or not knowing where to start can be paralyzing. Many people find the world of investing intimidating, but it doesn't have to be that way. With the right information and a bit of guidance, you can navigate the financial markets with confidence. It's all about taking that first step and educating yourself. With a little knowledge and guidance, anyone can start investing, even with just $100. You don't need a fortune to begin. Small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. This guide will walk you through the basics, step by step, and empower you to make your money grow. We'll cover everything from understanding different types of investments to setting realistic financial goals. Investing is like planting a tree. It requires patience, care, and time. Just as a tree needs water and sunlight to grow, your investments need regular contributions and attention. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow big and strong. Starting early gives your investments the best chance to flourish. It's the same with your money. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and multiply. By starting early, even with a small amount, you're giving your investments more time to potentially increase in value. Consistency is key. Regular contributions can lead to substantial growth. This is where the magic of compound growth comes in. Compound interest allows your earnings to generate even more earnings, creating a snowball effect. Imagine your money is like a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound growth. Over time, your investments can grow exponentially. Your money earns returns, and then those returns earn even more returns, creating a snowball effect that can lead to significant growth over time. This is the power of compounding. So, are you ready to embark on your investing journey? It's never too late to start, and the sooner you begin, the better. Let's dive in and learn how to make your money work for you. Together, we'll explore the exciting world of investing and set you on the path to financial success. Think of the stock market like a giant online marketplace, bustling with activity and opportunities. Here, companies sell small pieces of ownership called stocks, allowing you to become a part owner of the business. When you buy a share of stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company, giving you a stake in its success. If the company does well, the value of your stock goes up, and you benefit from its growth. Let's say you love a certain coffee shop, and you see potential in its future. They decide to sell stock to the public, opening up an opportunity for you to invest. You believe in their product and their future, so you buy a few shares, becoming a part of their journey. As the coffee shop expands and makes more money, the value of your shares could increase, reflecting the company's success. And you'd make a profit if you decide to sell them at a higher price than you bought them. Of course, the stock market has its ups and downs just like any other market, and it's important to be prepared for fluctuations. But over the long term, investing in the stock market has historically been one of the best ways to grow your wealth, thanks to the power of compound growth. Remember, we're in this for the long run. Patience and informed decisions are key to successful investing. Imagine you invest $100 today. With a hypothetical annual return of 7%, your investment could grow to over $200 in just 10 years. That's the power of compound growth at work. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to potentially multiply. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, it can add up significantly over time. Think of it as paying your future self first. Your step-by-step guide to investing success. Ready to start investing? Here's your step-by-step guide. First, set a goal. Setting a goal is crucial because it gives you a clear direction and purpose. Without a goal, it's easy to get lost or distracted along the way. What are you saving for? Is it a short-term goal like a vacation, or a long-term goal like retirement? Identifying your goal will help you determine your investment strategy. A down payment on a house, retirement, maybe it's for your child's education or to start a business. Whatever it is, write it down and keep it in mind as you move forward. Having a clear goal will keep you motivated and focused on your investment journey. Next, choose a brokerage. This is an important step because the right brokerage can make your investing experience smoother and more efficient. A brokerage is like a bank for your investments. It's where you'll manage your portfolio, track your investments, and execute trades. It's where you'll buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other investments. Look for a brokerage that offers a user-friendly platform, good customer service, and low fees. There are many online brokerages that are beginner-friendly and have low fees. Start small. Don't feel pressured to invest a large sum of money right away. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to start investing. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time with the power of compound interest. Many brokerages allow you to buy fractional shares, which means you can invest in high-priced stocks without needing to buy a whole share. Fractional shares are small portions of a whole share of stock. This makes it easier to diversify your portfolio even with limited funds. This means you can invest in companies you love, even if their share prices seem high. Understand your investment options. Knowing what you're investing in is crucial for making informed decisions. Stocks. When you buy stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company. Stock prices can fluctuate, but over the long term, investing in companies you believe in can be a rewarding experience. It's important to do your research and understand the company's business model and growth potential. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are like baskets of stocks that track a specific index or sector. They offer instant diversification, which means you're spreading your risk across multiple companies. This can be a safer option for beginners who want to minimize risk while still participating in the stock market. Index funds. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. These funds aim to replicate the performance of the index they track, like the S&P 500. Index funds are a great option for beginners because they offer broad market exposure and are generally low cost. Finally, stay consistent. Consistency is key to building wealth over time. The key to successful investing is consistency. Make it a habit to invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Over time, these small contributions can add up significantly. Make it a habit to invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Set up automatic contributions to your investment account so you can set it and forget it, even if it's just a small amount. Set up automatic contributions to your investment account so you can set it and forget it. This way, you won't have to remember to invest each month, and your investments will grow steadily over time. Set up automatic contributions to your investment account so you can set it and forget it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to investing success. Happy investing. Oops! Avoiding common investment mistakes. Investing can be intimidating, but it's important to avoid these common mistakes. First, don't invest money you need right now. Invest only what you can afford to lose in the short term. The stock market can be volatile, so never invest money you'll need for rent, bills, or other essentials. Second, don't try to time the market. Trying to predict when the market will go up or down is like trying to predict the weather. It's nearly impossible. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on investing consistently over time. Third, don't panic sell. When the market dips, it can be tempting to sell everything and cut your losses. However, remember that the market has historically always recovered from downturns. Stay calm, stick to your investment plan, and ride out the waves. Start small, dream big. Your investing journey begins now. Taking the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Even with just $100, you can begin your investment journey and start building a brighter financial future. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to potentially grow and compound. Ready, set, invest. Investing in the stock market might seem daunting at first, but it's more attainable than you think. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, even beginners can start building a solid financial foundation. With just $100, you can open the door to a world of opportunities and watch your money grow over time. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and start investing in your future.